I get this question all the time. Devin, what makes a faceless script sound human instead of AI generated? The short answer is this. Human scripts have judgment, texture, and rhythm. AI drafts usually sound too smooth, too balanced, and too generic. So here's the checklist I use. First, add a real point of view. Don't just explain the topic. Say what you believe. For example, instead of hooks are important, say, most weak hooks fail because they describe the topic instead of creating curiosity. That sounds human because it has an opinion. Second, replace generic phrases with specific detail. AI loves lines like, in today's fast-paced digital world. Nobody talks like that. Swap it for something concrete, like if your intro feels like a school essay, viewers leave. Third, edit for speech, not reading. If a sentence is hard to say out loud, it's hard to listen to. Shorten it. Break patterns, use contractions, leave in the occasional blunt line. Fourth, add one lived-in example every 20 to 30 seconds. Even in faceless videos, examples make the script feel like it came from a person who has actually made videos. My rule is simple. Use AI for structure, but make the final 20% unmistakably yours. If you want that process organized, Satura works well as the workflow layer for prompts, rewrites, and version control. That's what makes an AI script sound human.